I'll give it to him. You give it to him. Good boy, Mikey. You gonna play ball with Maria, Mikey? Give it to me, Maria. Good boy, Mikey. You throw it to Maria? Good boy, Mikey. Throw it to Maria. Good boy. That calmed you down, huh? That's a good boy. He needs some play therapy, huh? Can you tell him he's a good boy, Maria?
You're such a good boy, Mikey.
He likes to play ball. Charlie's getting jealous. Yay, ball! He likes it. Yay! Good boy, Mikey. Woohoo! Such a good bird.
I can't wait to tell Will that I was playing ball with Mikey.
You like to play ball, sweetie? What a good boy, Mikey. It's a good boy. Is that fun? Are you tired, Maria? Good boy, Mikey. What are you going to do when we leave? Are you going to be bored now? Okay, get it again, Maria. Hey, at least he's calming down.
Yes, thank you.
He needed some positive reinforcement. There you go.
You're an awful cute little girl. Do people tell you that all the time? Yes.
I think he's getting tired, isn't he?
Yeah.
There you go, buddy.
I like how he looks right at it when he drops it.
I know. All done? Are you all done, Mikey? No. Thank you. What a good player. What's he going to do when we say, all done? All done.